So this is going to be a quick vlog. I don't remember if I even mentioned to you guys like what's been wrong with me health-wise, but my back is having issues. So I have to get rid of seats like this. I'm going to try to get some cool seats, like maybe some like Recaros, like that recline and everything like that. But I still want something relatively lightweight, but for now I'm just going to throw a stock seat in here. But yeah, I'm also going to get a stock door card and not put my hard motorsports door card on this car. I'm going to put it in the Dakar because it doesn't make sense to put that in here. It's not going to add any value to the car, and they're like $500, so it's like, why would I do that? So for now I'm just going to take all the race car stuff out of here and get this car back to pretty much as close to a stock interior as possible. And then yeah, because I'm going to be registering the car in a week, and then after I register the car, it's going to get put up for sale, and that's that. So yeah, I'll get back to you guys in the next clip, I guess. These seats are so beautiful. Like, I'm really mad I have to get rid of them, but if I'm lucky, I'll find like some Kevlar back seats that are reclinable and a little bigger and more comfortable. But what I was doing with this clip is this is why you guys are supposed to keep track of all your tools and stuff, because look what I have to do to get this out. Like, it's smart, but it's like, bro, this is really fucking ghetto. Like, this is what you have to do when you misplace your things. So, like, it works. Call me young MacGyver, but, you know, I just wish I could keep my things in order. It would be really nice if I could. But, yeah. Let me show you guys what it's like to do it from like when it's tight. Boom. Put this thingy on, and then you just turn and bling blow. It comes out. But yeah, I'll get back to you guys in the next clip. The thing I'm gonna miss about these seats the most, like, hold on, let me see if I could actually like, I'm not sure if you guys are, the thing I'm gonna miss about these seats the most is, let me see if I could actually get it on camera. Like you can literally throw them up in the air. They weigh nothing. So sad. But again, everything happens for a reason, so you know, maybe it's gonna turn into something good. I hope it's gonna turn into something good. I have a lot of money in my pocket to go towards the next build. It's not really gonna be a build. It's gonna be a build, but not really a build, because it's like I'm not gonna do a whole bunch of wild shit to it, but like, it's gonna be cool. But this breaks my heart, because these are like my dream attainable seats, because they're not too expensive. Like, my ultimate dream is Recaro, I believe they're QRTC leather, no, QRTK red leather seats with the Kevlar backs. QRTK is whatever Kevlar, and then red leather. So I'll put a picture of it if I could find it. But yeah, they don't really make it. Somebody does have a set that Recaro made for them because they have a relationship with Recaro. But yeah, these are super sick seats, and I'm sad to see them go, because I did want to get them taken apart and reupholstered in red. But you know, maybe if I get my health stuff in order, I'll do it again, because I'll always find deals and I'll always make it happen. But yeah, I'll get to you guys in the next clip. This are the dirty blood clot seat when me I put in this truck carrier. This one single seat way more than both of them blood clot seat, yeah man. Them thing, yeah. Although this seat manual, there's something heavy no blood clot, man. They done drive with them seat, yeah, but I saw it figure to me replace them car. Brother, there's something never in it. Not nice by any means, but definitely pretty clean. So now it's time to load these heavy ass seats in the car. I can't lie, getting into a seat like this is so comfortable. Like, this is how I know I'm getting old. But yeah, I'm about to go grab some tacos, and then yeah, that's it. Yeah, my muscle memory still feels like I'm getting into bucket seats, but yeah. And actually, driving feels a little better with the seats like this. Let me see if I can get out. These guys. Yeah, it's a little weird, but it feels pretty good. But anyhow, yeah, I'll get back to you guys when I get to the taco place. Like, this is really the most beautiful thing ever. Like,